In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit custom field in Asana. If you've ever needed to tweak a label, add a new drop-down choice, or adjust the colors you use to visually organize work, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by opening the project where the custom field lives. Make sure you're in the correct project view because the controls you need are tied to that specific project. Once the project is open, look to the top right of your screen for the Customize button. It's your gateway to all the project level settings that control fields, layout, and more. Click it to open the customization panel on the right-hand side. Inside this panel, find the list of fields used by the project, scroll if you need to, and locate the exact field you want to change. Fields can be things like single select drop-downs, multi-selects, text, numbers, or other formats. Keep in mind that some fields might be shared across multiple projects. If you're editing a shared field, your changes could appear elsewhere too, so it's smart to be intentional with naming and option updates. When you've found the field, hover over it and click the three dots, or use the small arrow beside the field name. Both lead you to the same place where you'll see the option to edit that field. Choose Edit Field to open the editor. Now you're in the place where the real improvements happen. Update the field name to make it crystal clear for your team. If it's an option-based field, you can refine the choices, rename existing options for clarity, add new ones to capture emerging needs, remove outdated ones, and reorder them so the most used choices appear at the top. You can also adjust the colors associated with options, pick colors that are distinct and meaningful so your boards and lists are easier to scan. As a best practice, keep naming consistent and concise. That helps with reporting and reduces confusion. If you're replacing an option, renaming it preserves historical data better than deleting and recreating it. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Save. Your updates will apply immediately in the project. If the field is shared, those improvements will also update wherever that field is used. That's all there is to it. Open your project, use Customize, locate the field, open its menu, choose Edit Field, make your changes to the name, options, or colors, and save. With a few thoughtful edits, your team's structure, reporting, and visual clarity in Asana can improve dramatically.